Hey, thanks for joining us on InfoPedia, and today I'll be showing you how you could stay home and make your own hand sanitizer in light of what is happening with corona threats worldwide. As a result of individuals' preparations for novel corona COVID-19, we realize that our pharmaceutical entities are, for the most part, without some basic things that we really need. Things like Lysol and, for the most part, things like hand sanitizer. But do not panic, because we can make these on our own. And you should know that some commercial hand sanitizer contains ingredients as scary as the germs that they protect us from. And how it really works is that the active ingredient in hand sanitizer recipe is the alcohol, which needs to be at least 60% of the product for it to be an effective disinfectant. Also, our aloe vera, this is a good brand you could buy, but if not, then this is aloe vera juice. But this one we're going to be using aloe vera gel to show you how. And this could be, we can get this from almost anywhere, including from your own backyard if you're from the tropics, as I am. All right. And I should tell you that for the alcohol recipe, it really calls for 99% isopropyl rubbing alcohol or ethanol grain alcohol, most commonly available at 90 to 95%. Please don't use any other types like methanol or butanol, because these are toxic. We also need our bowl for mixing. And here's what we are going to be mixing. We're going to be adding 2 to 3 cups of the 99% rubbing alcohol, whichever alcohol you have. 1 to 3 cups of aloe vera. We're going to be mixing it. We're going to be putting 8 to 10 drops of essential oil, and this is really optional. And you mix it together into a nice little cocktail. You pour it into your pump dispenser, and there you have it. You really have homemade hand sanitizer for you to use. So I hope this really helps us all. And I should tell you to store your hand sanitizer, your do-it-yourself hand sanitizer, away from direct sunlight, so you could preserve, the contents for as long as is necessary. So even while you use your hand sanitizer, it is still necessary and important to wash your hands thoroughly for 20 to 30 seconds. And the same thing for applying your hand sanitizer. Ensure that you put it into your palm, vigorously rub it together for about 20 to 30 seconds, get some under your fingernails and all of these things. And I'll be seeing you in another video. Thanks for being here.